So I had wear on my teeth for the last 35 years that just progressed over time to a point where I probably lost almost half of the height of my teeth on the top and bottom. It ended up interfering with my ability to eat at times, and specifically things like I'd lost so much height that a big apple or like a big hamburger was difficult to get my mouth around almost, because my teeth had gotten so short. They were just going to get to a point where they were just totally not functional, and if I waited beyond a certain point, it would end up being either implants or dentures, worst case scenario. The end result, number one, I'm 110% satisfied. Dr. Gurney, aside from being completely knowledgeable and an expert in his field, he is totally personable, has a great sense of humor, and I had fun with him and Lisa. My overall experience with the office has been just great all the way around.